it's beginning to look a lot like winter. That's for sure. Right now I'm on Route 8, going up to almost past Switchback. What's up, Jonathan? Oh, why are they slow? Oh, what do we got going on down here? What's up, Steve? Yeah, the roads are clear right now, and then they weren't clear probably about an hour ago. Because I know Sam told me that Route 8 and everything was closed in a few spots this morning. So they must have got everything cleared up or something. But yeah, it's, I guess there's like 10,000 people or something like that without power. I know half of 422 didn't have power. We had power. And as far as everything right now, I mean, everything looks clear as far as road wise. And I don't know what the cities look like, but normally Route 8's pretty clear, but sometimes it is, sometimes it ain't. Hi, Stella. So Jonathan, did you ever unlock the Goliath on Horizon 4? I do like the way the trees and shit look with all the snow and stuff on them. Yeah, I've tried getting the one achievement where you got to use a Forza edition car and go three or more laps on it, but I've done it like 3 times, and I think it's pretty much glitched for me because it won't give me it. And I noticed yesterday I got on for a few minutes and something with the Forza servers were down or something, because the Forza hub was down, and like the clubs and all that stuff was down yesterday. So I ended up getting off, and me and Sam ended up watching a movie last night and called it a day. Yeah. Huh. Well, they must not have power here because the little gas station's closed and there ain't no street light. So I wonder if I have power at the garage. Huh, probably not. Guess I'll find out whenever I get there. Yeah, this is the first time I ever did this on Facebook. Hi, Karen. So far, Route 8 looks pretty clear. I know I just come through by Peter Rabbit Campground and they apparently had no power. So I figured I'm gonna go up to Rite 8 and drop my prescriptions off and go over to the garage. Hi, Carly. Yeah. Oh, Route 8 up here is still closed. Huh. Good thing I gotta go to Slip Rock first anyway. It looks like I ain't getting through here. Being Route 8 right there is closed. Yeah, I definitely do like how the ice and snow's all over the trees and everything. I can't remember if last year we had snow on the ground before Thanksgiving or not. I can't remember. I don't think we did. I think it was green. I think clear up till December. I think. Yeah, probably. I know there's been quite a few reports of trees down and power lines down and a bunch of other stuff. So it might be a short day at the garage today, especially if there ain't no power. I'm gonna try, John. I'm gonna try. Might end up going back home. What's up, Toby? I bet you ain't got this stuff down there, Toby. I just figured I'd go live for a few minutes here and give everybody a bird's eye view of what I get to see this morning. And a little bit of scenery. Alright, well, I'll put a status on Facebook later. Whether or not if I'm gonna stay at work or if I make it to work, if we have power or whatnot. Hi, Dad. Or Ange. Yeah. That's what we got basically a lot of. We had freezing rain and everything yesterday. And we're supposed to get, I think, 2 to 4 inches of snow last night. I don't know exactly how much we got. But since I'm coming into Slippery Rock here, I'm gonna get off this and put my phone down. So I will let everybody know later if I make it to work or if I go home or how work is. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Are you going to end?